and space exploration. With the advancement of robotics technology, robots can now be used to explore environments that are too dangerous or inaccessible for humans. This has the potential to greatly expand our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Moreover, robots are being developed for use in disaster response situations. These robots can be used to search for survivors in areas that are too dangerous for human rescue workers to access. They can also be used for tasks such as debris removal and infrastructure repair in disaster-stricken areas. However, the development of robots also raises ethical concerns around privacy and security. As robots become more prevalent in our daily lives, they will collect large amounts of data that could potentially be used for surveillance or other nefarious purposes. It is important to address these concerns and ensure that the development and use of robots is guided by principles of ethical responsibility and respect for privacy. Robots are also being developed for use in the healthcare industry. In addition to assisting with tasks such as patient monitoring and medication management, robots are being developed for use in surgical procedures. These robots can assist with procedures that require high precision and accuracy, potentially reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. Furthermore, robots are being developed for use in education. Educational robots can be used to teach children programming skills and promote STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math education. They can also be used to provide individualized learning experiences, allowing students to learn at their own pace and level. However, there are also concerns about the impact of robots on the job market. As robots become more capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, there is a risk of job displacement in certain industries. It is important to address these concerns and work towards a future where robots and humans can coexist and complement each other's capabilities. Moreover, as robots become more advanced and widespread, there is a need for regulations and standards to ensure safety and reliability. It is important to ensure that robots are developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. In conclusion, the development of robots holds tremendous promise for a wide range of applications. From healthcare and education to space exploration and disaster response, robots are being developed to improve efficiency and enhance our capabilities. However, it is important to address concerns around job displacement and work towards a future where robots and humans can coexist and complement each other's strengths. It is also important to ensure that the development and use of robots is guided by principles of safety, reliability, and ethical responsibility. Another area where robots are being developed is in the field of transportation. Self-driving cars are being developed and tested by numerous companies, with the potential to greatly reduce traffic accidents and improve the efficiency of transportation systems. In addition, drones are being developed for package delivery and other transportation tasks, potentially reducing the need for human drivers and delivery personnel. Robots are also being developed for use in the construction industry. These robots can assist with tasks such as demolition, excavation, and concrete pouring, potentially reducing the risk of accidents and increasing the speed and efficiency of construction projects. In the field of manufacturing, robots have been used for many years to increase efficiency and reduce costs. However, with advancements in robotics technology, robots are becoming more capable and versatile, able to perform a wider range of tasks and adapt to changing production needs.